Samsung's latest flagship watches bring changes big and small. The biggest change, however, is that the series now includes a truly premium model, the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Building on the success of the Galaxy Watch 4, both the Galaxy Watch 5 base and Pro models exhibit incremental improvements and a lot of shared specs. Yet, whether it's the stronger sapphire glass and titanium build, much larger battery exclusive tracking feature, or the fancier buckle, the Pro model packs plenty extra to set itself apart from its predecessors and its non-Pro sibling. The cost, a higher price, and the ditching a fan favorite that might disappoint you. In short, there's a lot to chew on before loading one into your shopping cart. Find out more in our Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro review. The Galaxy Watch 5 series is the newest iteration of Samsung's smartwatch family to hit shelves and comes in 2 unique versions and 6 different configurations. The base model Galaxy Watch 5 dons a similar aesthetic to 2021's sporty vanilla model, and the all-new Pro, which replaces the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, offers an upgraded and more durable option for taking out on the trail. Both are compatible with most modern Android phones, though the full feature set is saved exclusively for Galaxy smartphone users. Still running Samsung's One UI over the Google or Samsung Group project that is Wear OS 3, these watches may feel familiar if you have used, held, or even merely cast an eye over the Galaxy Watch 4 series. Both Galaxy Watch 5 devices feature built-in GPS and Bluetooth, with LTE models available in every size. According to Samsung, all models also house a newly upgraded sensor package. Plus, in addition to electrocardiogram, ECG, optical heart rate sensor, and body composition sensor, Samsung added a body temperature scanner for recording your stats at night. As for the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, it has a titanium case and a stronger sapphire glass over the display. It also sneaks in a significantly larger battery, with Samsung's promising up to 20 hours of battery life in GPS mode, plus a new charging cable that can juice the watch up from 0 to 45% in just 30 minutes. It also comes with Samsung's D-buckle band as a standard. What shoppers will notice right off the bat is the absence of a physical bezel. For better or worse, the series drops this popular feature. The Galaxy Watch 5 Pro comes in just 145mm case size and 2 color options, grey titanium and black titanium. The new straps also only come in 2 colors, black and grey. The Galaxy Watch 5 series goes on general sale starting August 26 if you are still in the pre-order window. Likewise, if you trade in older eligible Samsung wearables, you can take up to $125 off the cost of your new watch. The Bluetooth-only models are available to buy direct from Samsung as well as major retailers like Amazon, Best Buy, and more. The pricier LTE-compatible watch variants are sold by major carriers in the US such as Verizon, T-Mobile, and AT&T. Right now, the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is the best premium Wear OS you can buy. Regardless, this is a great flagship watch from Samsung. It offers a well-rounded smartwatch experience with ample third-party app support and a good health and fitness tracking tools. Compared to the significantly cheaper base model, the Pro also packs a few key navigation updates and widen the gap between this generation and the last, especially for hikers. If those don't feel like deal breakers, you can save about $170 by opting for the standard Galaxy Watch 5, which costs $279. Instead, moreover, the Pro model is priced much higher than both options from last year's series. If the Galaxy Watch 5 series upgrades feel nominal, you can save even more by grabbing a Galaxy Watch 4 $249 or Classic, which costs $349, both of which can now often be found at huge discounts. However, Samsung faces a lot of competition outside the tiny Wear OS bubble, especially at this high a price point. For Apple users, the Apple Watch Series 7 is cost $400 is still an absolute no-brainer. Its iPhone integration is seamless and its app support is unmatched. For dedicated athletes, the Garmin Venu 2 Plus, which costs $450, taps into Garmin's ecosystem and advanced fitness tracking suite. It won't offer as hearty a smartwatch experience, but it does support music streaming, voice assistants, and on-wrist phone calls. If the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro's hiking feature caught your eye, the Garmin's Instinct 2, which cost $350, or Fenix 7 series, which cost $700 may also be worth a look. Each is packed with features for outdoor enthusiasts and both knock battery life out of the park. Moreover, these devices are just a sampling of what is available right now. Many exciting new wearables are on the docket for a fall launch, including new options from Fitbit, Apple, and perhaps most, and the mighty Google. As we are finally going to get see the wireless maker can do with its own hardware with the long-awaited Pixel watch. If you can hang on to whatever you can currently sporting a little longer, you may be facing more exciting watches soon. If however you are a Galaxy Watch diehard, the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is a solid device with notable improvements, and if you have a Samsung phone, it's even stronger competitor due to its interoperability with other Galaxy devices. We consistently ranked the Galaxy Watch 4 series among the best smartwatches available after it launched. In fact, we typically considered it the best option for anyone not already locked into the Apple ecosystem. The Galaxy Watch 5 series continues that lineage with a plumb. It doesn't deliver drastic upgrades, but it also doesn't break the wheel, unless you loved the physical bezel, in which case Samsung kinda took the wheel off. But besides the deleted bezel, the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, the company's refreshed top-of-the-line Galaxy wearable, retains everything we already liked and improves on durability, accessibility, and battery life. In addition, the Pro model throws in a few handy features for hikers and cyclists, and in the larger scheme of things, it hints at a looming trend with a focus on durability and navigation. Samsung is encouraging users to embrace the great outdoors, and the company isn't alone in this endeavor. Look for more rugged builds and advanced fitness features on wearable hitting shelves in the near future. Yet the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is also just a great premium watch for any Android user looking for a reliable all-rounder. Sure, not having everything to play around with at launch is always a bit tiresome. In particularly, the temperature sensor is a major hardware addition that is meant to set the Galaxy Watch 5 series apart from its predecessors. Without it available yet, it's hard to know how much value it adds to the lineup. However, I am happy enough with what the watch had to offer during my testing to give it a firm recommendation. In 2021, Samsung launched two new flagship devices dressed to impress in a brand new ways. While the devices themselves were impressive watches, most of the talk revolved around the brand new Google-Samsung collaboration. In 2022, Samsung has proven it can keep on delivering on both fronts. And while the regular Galaxy Watch 5 may be a better buy for anyone looking for a more casual smartwatch experience, if you want this sturdiest, most feature-packed Samsung wearable no matter the cost, the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro will easily go on the distance.